Hi, I'm Al, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your PC as your authenticator to log in to your favorite apps without ever using a password or a token. To get started, enter your email in your favorite app and click Next. This will redirect you to the IDEE login page. To set up your PC as an authenticator, all you have to do is click on Agree, Sign Me Up. Your email address should already be entered, and all you have to do is to unlock your PC. Click on Unlock and type in your PIN to unlock using Windows Hello. IDEE will automatically send you a secure magic link. So go to your mailbox, find that email, and click on Confirm. Please make sure that you click on Confirm on the same device and open the link on the same browser where you started your enrollment process. Now your email is verified. When I go to the first tab where I started the enrollment process, I have a pop-up that says, "Now my PC is fully enabled." I click OK and I'm done.